Hello, this is Rakesh Rao from DesignSense Software Technologies, Bangalore. In this video, I am pleased to tell you that we have launched a new website called GeoTools.in. So GeoTools.in is the new home for GeoTools running under all the CAD platforms that are supported, namely AutoCAD, BricsCAD, ZWCAD and Ares Commander. So earlier we had GeoTools all listed under the DesignSense website. So GeoTools still continues to be a DesignSense product, but it has its own website now where you can get all the information you need about GeoTools in one place. So in addition to the product info, the product brochure and other things, you also have different sections now which explain the support policies, the support incidents and a lot of other information about GeoTools. So for example, we interact with hundreds of GeoTools users across the world and we get lot of support information, we get lot of Q&A, we solve lot of queries from customers and we gain a lot of experience from that. So we have documented and put all this information in the website so that you can browse through it and get some answers quickly. And very often you may not be required to send us an email or a support request. You may find the information that you need on the geotools.in website. So our aim is to grow geotools.in into a complete repository of information about GeoTools on all the platforms where it runs. So do visit geotools.in and give us your feedback so that we can improve the website. It is still very new and I'm sure there is a lot of scope for improvement. So we are still working on several sections. Do let us know what you think about the website. Thank you.